O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't take anything personally. Your truth is personal to you. Your own opinions and point of view reflect your own agreements and are personal to you. It's no one's truth but your own. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 96. NASDAQ is up 24. S&P is up 23. Gold contract flat, $18.13 an ounce. Silver up 24 cents, $19.77 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 75 cents, $41.04 a barrel. We had a big drawdown in the crude numbers today, folks. Notes and bonds. 10-year note down 2 ticks, 139.11. The 30-year off 18 ticks at 179.23. They both rejected lower price out here. They continue to want higher price, lower yield. King dollar down 164 ticks, trading 96.096. King dollar's trying to save itself, folks. It was down like 400, but coming back. Bottom line is coming back at a crucial place. We'll see whether it can basically save itself and get to higher price. Euro is at 114. The yen is out here at 106.95, and the British pound is at 125 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, let's take a look at the futures. We've been banging around 10, 15 points all day long. We're up $24 right now. Bottom line, we'll see whether it wants to attack the lows of the today out here, which were established at noon. That number there is the 3192. NDX 100 is basically screaming in this market that it wants lower price. It rode us all the way up, folks. Now the bottom line is that you had 2 days of weak NDX 100. We'll see how this baby shakes out. I do expect as we'll come into the close, it's going to go after this. It's a high volume low that's laying out here from this morning, also at noon. 10,551. So what we had here is it's quite a spread, no doubt about that. Bottom line is that we're down off the highs about 120 points off the highs inside of the NDX 100. We take a look at the gold contract. Gold contract still wants to bust higher. Bottom line, you get a flat market out here today. We want to see more contract volume in the gold market. We started off really strong. You're only at 176,000 contracts. It's not bad. It's not great. That's the real bottom line. What you need out here is that I want to see 200 basically each and every day. Yesterday we got the 253. Prior day you get the 230. Right now you just 176. You want to see more if, in fact, you're a bull in that metals market. Silver. Bottom line, silver catching the bid once again. Silver is basically almost leading this baby up, which is pretty cool. Silver is 1977. Silver is going after its 21 swing point, folks. And the silver equities are following it right along into higher price. Notes and bonds. We take a look at this note and bond market. These are just the ever-ready bunny, like in an incredible way. The 10-year note was down at 139.03 today. Bottom line, rejected lower price. You're at 139.11. As did the 30-year bond. 30-year bond was down a full point and 3 ticks, 179.03. Bottom line is that rejected that, so you still get sideways movement. In both cases, folks, it looks to me that they are actually going to bust topside, which is pretty wild because you still have, let's see, so the 10-year right now, points. Yeah, we're 0.62 of 1% in the 10-year. And notes and bonds want to bust topside. It's going to be wild watching, like, what percentage rate are we going to go down to? King dollar. Let's go over to King dollar and take a look at King dollar. This has been a one-way route on the way down. King dollar had a big day out here today, went after the lowest swing point. Now, this is what you have with King dollar. If you're a bull, it would have been, on the dollar, it would have been better if it actually hit the swing point. We didn't hit the swing. The swing point in King dollar, we're talking about the 10th of June. That number is 95,716. Well, we got to 95,777. And we did reject lower price. That being said, you're not getting inside higher range. You'd have to get all the way back up to 96,385, and you're not even close to that. So what we very well may get here is may get a few days of sideways movement going sideways. If that's what you get, what you'll see is that it'll run after that lowest swing point again, and we'll see whether it's taken out. My short-term take inside the dollar, folks, is that the dollar wants to go to 94. In a few months, I expect the dollar is going to be at 88. And I'll show you the 88. The 88 sets up, folks, I believe it's the 2018 swing low. And if you break this level, meaning the level of the 94 level, it's just sticking out there like a sore thumb. Yeah, it's December of 2018. The dollar, no doubt, in March had saved itself. It got all the way down to the 94,610. That's what it's going after right now. Bottom line, there's not much there's nothing in between that and getting into that 88 area. So we will see how that whole baby does shake out. We take a look at some of the higher volume equities inside this marketplace here today. What you're going to see is that you have all the dead cat bounces that are actually bouncing. We got Expedia right now is up 9.4%. That's up $7.69. You got Marriott up 8%. You got Trip.com up 7.2%, and you got Alta Salon up 6.8%. And this is where the NASDAQ 100 has a problem, folks. I've talked many times about how the chips bring the NASDAQ 100 up, bring the composite up, they drag the S&P up. You're looking out here today, guess what? It's the chip stocks. You got ASML down 5.5%. You got CLAC off 2.8%. Bottom line, those are big numbers. Taiwan Semi, they are going to be coming out with numbers. Let's see, what day is today? They're coming out with numbers tomorrow. So we'll see where that shakes out. Taiwan Semi, of course, largest manufacturer of chips in the world. That's going to tell us quite a bit about going forward, how many more orders that they actually do have coming inside the marketplace. Dow Industrials. What the Dow has also done, folks, is this. The Dow was up over 400 points. The Dow is weak in a monster way. It got into the lows of the high of where we gapped down, and it couldn't handle it. We got to 27,071. You're at 26,739. Bottom line, any close between under 26,938. Total failure on price as well as volume. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.